In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a multiple-choice question in your course quiz. Start by opening your course and navigating to the quiz where you want this question to live. If you don't have a quiz yet, create a new quiz activity. If you already have one, open it for editing. Make sure editing is turned on, then look for the option labeled Edit Quiz, or something similar, to access the question management screen. From the quiz editing page, choose Add, then select the option to add a new question. You'll see a list of question types. Pick multiple choice, then click Add or Next to open the question creation form. This takes you to the area where you'll define everything students will see and how the question is scored. Give the question a clear, descriptive name. This is just for your tracking, so students won't see it, but a good name makes it easier to reuse or revise later. In the question text box, write the prompt that students will read. Keep it concise, unambiguous, and free of clues. Set the default mark to the number of points you want this question to be worth within the quiz. If your quiz uses adaptive mode, meaning students can try the question multiple times, you can set a penalty factor to reduce points on subsequent attempts. You can also add general feedback. This is a short explanation that appears regardless of the choice students select, and it's great for reinforcing the concept or clarifying a common misconception. Now configure the answer choices. Decide whether you want a single correct answer, which shows radio buttons, or multiple answers, which uses checkboxes. If you like, enable shuffle the choices to randomize the order each time, which helps reduce guesswork and memorization. Choose how choices are labeled, such as A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, so the display matches your course style. Enter each choice's text, keeping wording parallel and focused. For scoring, assign a grade percentage to each option. A fully correct choice is typically 100%. Incorrect options are set to none or 0. For multiple answer questions, you can split credit across several correct choices and optionally apply negative percentages to penalize wrong selections, but use negatives sparingly to avoid confusing students. When everything looks good, save your work using Save Changes, or save and return to course if you're done. Use the Preview option to check the layout, shuffling, and scoring behavior before students see it. Once you're satisfied, your multiple-choice question is ready inside the quiz.